Let's see how to use Excel to Tally software to simplify your financial data. Excel is a powerful tool for organizing and analyzing financial data. One of the most useful features of Excel is the ability to use formulas to perform calculations on your data. This can save you a lot of time and effort when it comes to tracking and managing your finances. One way to simplify your financial data using Excel is to use the Tally software. Tally is a popular accounting software that allows you to easily track your income and expenses, create invoices and reports, and manage your accounts. It is especially useful for small businesses and freelancers who need to keep track of their financial transactions. Once your financial data is in Excel, you can use formulas and functions to perform various calculations. For example, you can use the sum function to add up all of your expenses for a given period of time, or use the if function to create a budget plan based on your income and expenses. Another useful feature of Excel is the ability to create pivot tables. Pivot tables allow you to quickly summarize and analyze your financial data by dragging and dropping different fields into rows, columns, and filters. This can be especially helpful when it comes to analyzing your expenses and identifying areas where you can save money. In conclusion, using Excel in conjunction with Tally can be a powerful way to simplify your financial data and make it easier to track and manage your finances. Whether you are a small business owner or a freelancer, using Excel to Tally software can help you organize and analyze your financial data in a more efficient and effective way. Get free demo of Excel to Tally software at www.fastinflow.com.